Hey guys, today I'm going to show you how to change the cabin filter on this 2008 Subaru Tribeca. If this video is helpful, can you smash that thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm, really helps out a lot. So we need to open our glove box here. We're going to take our glove box out. So what we're going to have to do is remove this clip and then this clip over here. So all we need to do, stick a screwdriver in and pop this tab out like that. Once you've got that popped out, you can lift up on your glove box a little bit, slide that out. Do that for both of them. Now we need to pull this panel out. So just grab down here, kind of pop it out like that. Then we are going to remove this right here. We're going to remove this right here. So this takes a Phillips, unscrew this, and then you can pop this out. Okay, this whole piece right here will come out together, or you can just take the screw out and pop that other piece out. Now we need to push out on this right here, and the whole glove box will come right out like that. All right, now we need to remove these. There would be 4 fasteners here. These come out the exact same way as the clip that we just took out here. You unscrew the center tab and then pull this clip out. All right, now this right here, just reach in here and pop this out. Oh, there's also a screw right here that mine is missing that you need to take out. I think it's going to be a Phillips head, I'm not really sure. And then you need to take a flat head here and pry out and around on this. Then you can pull that right out. Now you have access to your filter cover here. Pinch these tabs like this, and then your filter will come right out, debris and all. All you gotta do is just basically push it up out of here, and you can take your filter out just like that, and then just put your new one back in there. When you're putting your new one in, slide it in this way underneath these clips here, and then also you'll have to push it down underneath these tabs that are on each side of the filter here. But that's all there is to it. Then just push it back in and put things back together the way you took it apart. So I will have an Amazon link in the description where you can get a new filter on Amazon if you want to. But other than that, if this video is helpful, smash the thumbs up button, leave a comment down below for the YouTube algorithm. Thank you for watching and have a good one.